Hi, my name is John, the IT coach. Today I have my top 5 tips for retirees. Tip number 1, install the Hiya app. This app, Hiya, H-I-Y-A, will block incoming scam and spam phone calls. It has a database of numbers which it will use to block scam calls. There's a free version available from the App Store, but you can also pay for the premium version. The premium version costs just $3.29 a month. I have this app installed on my phone and I think it's fantastic. Tip number 2, have one system for managing passwords. You can buy a book like this. It's organized alphabetically, and for each letter you can add entries for website, username and password. So you can write down things like your Apple ID, your Google ID, your Microsoft password, your email password. They're all stored in the one place and you can put this somewhere safe. Tip number 3, if the text on the screen is too small or if you have low vision, you can use this tip to increase the text size to make it more readable. In order to increase the font size on our Windows computer, click the Start icon in the bottom left, click the Settings cog, and then click Ease of Access. Under Make Everything Bigger, click the drop down and we can set this to 150 or even 200. Tip number 4. Make sure your antivirus is up to date. Most computers come with an antivirus product, but after a certain period of time you have to subscribe. I do recommend subscribing. You should pay the money to have a safe, secure computer. There are various antivirus products that might come pre-installed on your computer. A couple of the popular ones are Norton and McAfee. I have Bitdefender installed on this computer. If we double click the Bitdefender icon and we locate the account area, it will tell us the status of our subscription. You can see I've got 188 days here, so we are good to go. Tip number 5, back up your important files to the cloud. This means that your files are saved to a remote location, so that if anything at all happens to your computer, we can get your important files back. There are several cloud backup products available, such as Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, or the Apple iCloud. If you have Microsoft 365 on your computer, there's a good chance you already have OneDrive. For example, if we were to create a very, very important document, when we save it, we will have the option to save it to OneDrive. This means that if anything ever happens to this computer, we would be able to go into the OneDrive cloud and recover our important document. Those are my 5 tech tips for retirees. If you'd like to know more, go to my website and book a free discovery call. I service clients face-to-face in the area of Canberra, or I can do remote support as well. Thanks for your time.